As we have learned before, radiation from sun is capable of generating electricity. The sun's energy can be used to generate electricity using a solar cell. The sun's energy can also be used to heat water directly in solar heating panels. China is the largest market in the world for solar thermal energy. Wave energy is the energy which can be harnessed from the motion of waves. It's so simple. A wave generator uses the waves to make a floating generator moves up and down. This motion turns the generator so it generates electricity. A cable between the generator and the shoreline delivers electricity to the grid system, like in the northern coast of the UK. A biofuel is any fuel taken from a living organism. Animal waste is an example of a biofuel. Biodiesel uses waste vegetable oil in plants such as rapeseed. Other examples of biofuel are straw, nutshell, and wood chips. The biofuel is frequently used in Canada. Concerning nuclear fuels and fossil fuels, they will be discussed in details later.